Hi everyone, I'm up at the garden and I'm talking soft because I want to show you what's on the loofah gourd. It's so pretty. So he's feeding on that. This is from the bottom, I do believe. Oh no, that's a spider who got the butterfly. Oh, that changes the whole video. That's kind of sad. Circle of life. I doubt I could save it. I'm gonna try, but I don't think I can save it. Poor butterfly. That's what the outside looked like. Spider's like green and white. Yeah, it's already feeding on it. The legs aren't moving. That kind of sucks.